and Miss Cudi said he made peace with it. Then came the cross-examination by attorney Brian Steele, who represented Young Thug. Steele set out to score some points, and he did. Steele questioned Miss Cudi about whether he knew that fingerprints and DNA samples were taken from his Porsche back in 2012. Miss Cudi said he called police about the incident a few times, but was not aware that DNA from the car came back as a female sample. Steele also pointed out that there were no sightings of Sean Combs around Miss Cudi's property. Then the conversation turned to Cassie Ventura. Miss Cudi confirmed that Cassie ended their relationship in January of 2012, and he was confused because they had been talking and seeing each other for about a year. And he said at that time he wasn't aware that Cassie was seeing Sean Combs at the same time. Steele asked, Ms. Ventura was not frank with you, true? Miss Cudi answered, true. Steele asked, she played you. That was your words, right? Miss Cudi said yes. Steele asked, you had no clue. When she played you, she was convincing about that, right? Miss Cudi said, no clue. Steele asked, you were with her a lot, right? Miss Cudi said, mm-hmm. Steele asked, true? Miss Cudi said yes. Steele then pointed out that Sean Combs actually asked Miss Cudi in 2011 to do a song with Cassie Ventura. That was how the two met. Steele asked, you were in a studio doing your art with Ms. Ventura, that true? Miss Cudi said yes. Steele asked, and that's how you guys really became close, right? Miss Cudi said, we were cool before. Miss Cudi asked, and this didn't hurt your relationship, right? It was nice. You enjoyed the time with her, true? Miss Cudi said, yeah, it was truly just friends at that time. Steele asked, Mr. Combs wasn't around you and Ms. Ventura when you were with her, right? Miss Cudi said no. Steele asked, and she wasn't getting all these text messages from him to your knowledge when you were with her, right? Miss Cudi said, not to my knowledge. Steele also confirmed with Miss Cudi that Cassie told him that Combs was physically abusive toward her, but she never told Miss Cudi that Sean Combs sexually abused her. Steele also got Miss Cudi to say that Cassie Ventura was living two different lives when she was spending time with him. And during that meeting with Combs at the Soho house in 2012, after his car was torched, he said Combs was gracious, made no threats, and had no weapons on him. During redirect, Emily Johnson used Miss Cudi to remind the jury about incidents where Cassie and Capricorn Clark confided in him about Combs's volatile behavior. Toward the end, Miss Cudi admitted that it was that behavior that made him walk away from his relationship with Cassie. Johnson asked, why did your relationship with Ms. Ventura end despite having feelings for her? Miss Cudi said the drama, it was just getting out of hand and kind of wanted to give her some space.